Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get a long-lasting gel manicure. So my client is about 3 weeks out. Her nails were pretty grown out. She's about to go on vacation, so she was due for a soak off and a new gel manicure. Typically, I would soak my clients in acetone to remove the gel polish, but she did have a injury under her pointer finger and she kind of wanted to avoid the burning of the acetone. So we just went ahead and opted to use my sanding bit to go ahead and remove the gel polish, which is what I'm doing here. I will say that any products that I do use in this video or any tools, I will go ahead and leave in the description box below for you guys if you're interested. So typically whenever I'm using a sanding bit on someone's natural nails like this, I would not go over 3000 RPM just to avoid any burning or injury or over overfiling. Now at this point, I am using my cuticle pusher and I am pushing her cuticles all the way back, and I'm trying to scrape up a little bit of the dead skin on the side walls, which we're then going to go and remove. Now I'm using my cuticle nippers and I am just carefully removing the cuticle that I pushed back, and I try my best to get as much of the dead skin from the cuticle and the sidewalls as possible, because honestly, preparation before applying any kind of nail extensions or gel polish is really what's going to make the difference in whether or not your client's nails last. They'll typically come back for a new set between 3 to 6 weeks, and I'll say 99% of the time my clients don't have any lifting or chipping. So definitely take your time with nail prep. It is one of the main factors to a long-lasting set of nails, whether it be a gel manicure, acrylics, Gel-X, just removing all of the built up dead skin along the cuticle, any that's grown out onto the nail plate, and especially the sidewalls. So you just saw me shape her nails, and I'm actually going in with a cuticle bit with my electric file to help remove more of that dead skin that gets built up along the sidewall. It is really hard to get that area with just the cuticle nippers, so I am using one of my diamond bits to help remove some of that. I did go in with my 4-way buffing block to smooth out the nail plate, and then I had my client go wash her hands with soap. And then I just went ahead with a alcohol wipe just to help cleanse the nail plate a little bit more and remove like any possible leftover dust in her sidewalls or around the cuticle. Then I did go in with a primer to help dehydrate the nail plate a little bit more, and I do find that this makes a huge difference with clients' retention. So then I went ahead in with the base coat. I cured it for 60 seconds, and now I'm going in with my D&D gel polish. She's going on a beach vacation and she wanted something bright and cheerful, so she opted for a bright orange. And then we're going to go in and add some gold detail around the cuticle line. What you just saw me do with the cuticle pusher right here is this is actually a great little trick that I learned over the years. I really am just using that to clean up any nail polish that overflows the nail plate onto the cuticle area or just on the skin at all. It actually it really helps clean it up. So if that's something that you struggle with, definitely try it, because it makes a huge difference for me. And as you can see in this video, I use it a lot. So, but now I'm going in with is it Daily Charm? Daily Charms Gold Gel Paint. It's supposed to be chrome, but to me it doesn't look chrome. And I'm just adding some little gold details. I had to free up some space, so my phone stopped recording. We were laughing really hard at something right here. That's why it looks like it was vibrating. We were cracking up. But anyway, so this is the final product. I did go over it with a no wipe gel top coat, and then I just went ahead and applied some cuticle oil, and we are all done. And make sure that you guys are sealing the free edge as well with the gel polish. And I'm telling you, if you follow these few simple steps, your clients will have long-lasting nails. Thanks for watching.